Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got a shocking example of what happens when you skip rust proofing your vehicle. This Honda Element in front of me has a completely rusted out undercarriage, so bad it's practically falling apart. Rust isn't just an eyesore, it can destroy the structural integrity of your car, leading to costly repairs and even safety hazards. In this video, I'll show you the damage up close so that you understand why rust proofing is a must if you want to avoid disasters like this. Let's dive in. This is why you need to protect your vehicle from rust. This is a Honda Element that does not exist anymore. Do your rust proofing annually or at least biannually to avoid all of this stuff. Yeah, so basically both sides rockers and both sides frame rails are gone. Non-existent. I think you've seen enough, but we can continue here. Perhaps we've seen enough. Okay, so now let's look outside. Outside, this vehicle looks decent. Nothing visible that will point us to that much rust. It looks okay. There is no rust on the body at all. Look what we've just knocked off of it. Is this convincing enough? Or you need more convincing? Let me know in the comments.